side of the hill, across the bridge, there was lots of grass to eat. We should go.
We should go over there, to the other side of the hill. Yeah, but what about, yeah, we should go, but what about that big, fat, mean, ugly troll? He has a big, slurpy, enormous appetite, and he loves to eat goat slurpees.
Maybe he's gone. Maybe he's visiting his mother.
Yeah, he's visiting his mother. Let's go across the bridge.
You know, you go first.
Me? Why me?
Because you're so puny and so skinny. Just look at you, little brother. You're wasting away. If you don't get to the other side of the hill first, there's no telling what will happen to you. I just don't want to think about it.
You're right, big brother. I'll go first.
Who goes on my bridge?
It's me.
I shall eat you.
Oh, no. Stop. Don't eat me. I'm so skinny and pretty. You don't want to eat me. Wait for my food. Goodness, he's much more skinny and juicy. He's more than nothing.
You're right. You're much not even an exercise. I'd much rather taste your big, juicy brother. You make it.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Soon the middle Billy Goat decided to go across the bridge.
Who goes on my bridge?
It is I, the middle Billy Goat.
I shall eat you.
Oh, don't eat me. I'm just the middle Billy Goat. Wait for my big brother. He is much, much bigger than I am. Think about it. Do you want to settle for second best? Of course not. Wait for my big, huge, tender brother. Please?
He's bigger than you.
Yes.
You make all guys. I'd much rather eat your juicy, big, huge brother.
Wow, would you look at that?
Yes.
They're eating all the grass. I better get over there before they finish it.
Who goes on my bridge?
It is I, the big Billy Goat.
I've been waiting for you. I shall eat you for my supper.
I don't think so. One